So before going to start anything, I have given the introduction of Python. So as if you want to do hands-on on it, right, you have to install the software of it, right? So what software is required for Python, that we are going to understand. So first we have to install the setup, and then one ID is also required. I will recommend you will always work with the ID only. So let's go to the browser and just write here download Python. Okay, download Python for Windows. If you have any other operating system, you can go with that also. So download Python, it will open this link. So here we have seen the download Python 3.13.5 is the updated version. You just click on it. So it will start the download. Yeah, installation done. Let me open the folder of it. Okay. So it is a Python here, AMD 64 version. So that time we have to click on install now. So now I think setup was successful, right? It is installed successfully. You can close it. ID, okay. So we have to install one ID as well, right, with Python. So what ID will require? So if you are from the, actually I'm belong from the Java background, right? So I will always pick PyCharm. PyCharm is one of the popular ID for Python developers. We have other ID as well, but I do prefer because it is from the Jet brand, okay, and it is a free as well, and it's more user friendly. So I will always go with the Jet brand. Sorry, PyCharm. If you have any other ID as well, that also fine. So let's go with the PyCharm, and here we have to download the community version. Okay, so we have multiple things here. You can go down. So here you can see that you don't have to click on this link, right? So that is ultimate unified product. So that means it is a costly, right? You have to pay something for it. So always go with the community version, which is free of cost. PyCharm community editions. So just click on download. So it will start downloading the PyCharm. Yeah, now it's completed. Let's open the folder. So PyCharm is a community edition, right? That is already. So two things we have to download first. Python be downloaded and installed, and then PyCharm, right? Community edition. So just click on it. So it is taking time. So yeah, click on yes. Yeah, so welcome to the PyCharm community edition setup. Next. Yeah, so it is asking the location where that is going to install. Fine. Next. Right. So create a desktop shortcut. Yeah, fine. Please click on use the path. Update the path variable. Yeah, please do it. Update context menu. Create associations with .py only. .py is for Python only, right? Click on next and install it. Okay, so now that PyCharm has installed successfully, so it is asking reboot now. I want to manually reboot later, so I will click on that only and I will click on finish. That means PyCharm is installed. Now let me open it. So PyCharm is ID here, not like that. So I think that desktop shortcut is created. Let me check once. Yeah, shortcut is created, right? PyCharm. Let me open this. So skip import. I don't want IntelliJ IDEA community, right? Some on it. So skip import. So this time PyCharm has opened. It has come like in this only. So here it is asking like Python new project, right? So let me create a new project first. New script or new project. So I will create a new project or open a project, something like that. So what I will do here, I will create a one folder. So whenever you're starting development, right? So you can go in a one particular drive anywhere like okay. So I'm going in my suppose D drive, and here I'm going to create a new folder, right? Which could be having a like Python code, right? Python code, simple. Okay, do not have to give anything. So just give a Python code on it, and inside that you can create your code. So that folder I created. After that I will open this folder. Okay, I will copy this folder and I will go to the PyCharm, and here I can simply say open. So click on the open and just select that here, same which you have copied, and select it. Yeah, trust this project. So we are understanding, guys, from the scratch. If you are a beginner, if you do not know like anything about Python, if you want to start from the basics, right, you can directly start from there. I have explained everything, like how to install Python, how to download Python, how to install PyCharm, right, and how to open the PyCharm. So this time the PyCharm is ready. Now we have to write the coding on it, right? So here one file will create by default by the PyCharm itself, which is a main.py. So this code, let me remove it. I don't want this anything. Okay, so let me, it's asking some configuration. Just wait for a moment. Let's wait for a moment.